Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is your host Trillionaire, and today we're covering a small cap cryptocurrency. But first, we'll have a quick look at the markets. We're on the 7-day chart here, and we do see that the market has climbed back above $415 trillion. And did I say trillion? I meant billion. I guess I'm getting a little ahead of myself here. But anyways, that's what's going on with the market as a whole. We have a little look at what's going on with Ethereum. And again, we've already broken that downward bear market, the downward trend, and now we could be trending sideways. However, if you do take a quick look at what's going on here, the ratios in between the tops and the bottoms were practically the same when you're talking about both sides of this little valley here. Okay, it's pretty impressive to see how they essentially match each other and have matched each other straight up from the bottom on both sides of this. We got a little booty right here. We'll call it a booty call, and that booty call was saying enough of the bear market. We're going back to the bull market. So if that trend happens to continue, we're looking at a $850 Bitcoin. I'm sorry, I did say Bitcoin. I mean Ethereum by the first week of May, I would say, if not the second week of May, if it's lagging. And these candlesticks are providing a substantial amount of volatility. They could continue for another couple days. I don't see them breaking out just yet, though if we do have a look at the volume here, it does seem to be increasing over time. Obviously not 100%. There are peaks and valleys there, but it is increasing overall over time, with obviously the majority of it being in the green. This major red candlestick here did come back with a massive amount of support, and thus that is why we're sitting at a $661 Ethereum. Moving on, we're going to keep this episode real short for you guys today. Karbo is the small cap crypto that we're having a look at. Karbo is trading under the ticker KRB. All right, they got a market cap of 4.1 million. When I was looking at it earlier, it was more like 3.8 million, so a little more micro cap, a little more small cap than what it is currently, but still within this channel's buying parameters. Okay, this is absolutely okay. We like to buy things when they're sub 10 million, really sub 40 million, but we're really trying to get things sub 10 million, sub 5 million even, and that is a opportunity that is currently available with Karbo. Now they do have a volume of 54,000. As far as markets go, you can pick them up on Livecoin, Cryptopia, Bitcoin Trade. I do not have any Karbo at this point, but it does appear to be a good project. Reason why I don't have them yet, I have not done a substantial amount of research on these boys just yet. However, the research that I have done on them does appear to be promising, to say the least. Again, this is a small cap crypto, okay, that focuses on privacy. It's a privacy coin. It has its own blockchain, and they're using ring signatures to make privacy happen. All right, once the privacy coins and tokens are pumping again, this will be one of the ones to go ahead and do a major pump. Right now it's sitting at 4.1 million. In the past it has been as high as 9.1 million. Okay, talking about the market cap, 9.9 million back in November. That 9.1 was more recently during the January pump. All right, so it's only down about halfway. It didn't actually tank that far from its all-time high, considering most things tanked further than that. Heck, I think Bitcoin tanked further than that. This went down to 2.6 there. Okay, I suppose it did tank pretty far. Bitcoin did a similar amount, so it kept in line with the amount that Bitcoin fell. And for a small cap, I'm going to say that is impressive. This crypto has been out for quite some time, so not seeing the volatility that we would usually see with small cap cryptos. However, that doesn't make it a bad buy. It might be something you want to throw in your bag and just sit on it, because why do we like these small caps? Because, you know, you throw, you know, an Ethereum or 5 Ethereum or, you know, a half Bitcoin, whatever you want to go with in there. Small cap is much more likely to 10x versus Bitcoin will in the same span of time. All right, if you go back and you look at where this guy was going way back here, I mean, we do see it trading at, you know, $8,000 market cap and whatnot. So again, you guys get the point. Karbo is an interesting one. If you guys want to check it out, just head over to CoinMarketCap, click on website, click on announcements. You can find a substantial amount about these guys. You can even have a look at their source code. This is the website here, and they do have a little roadmap going all the way to 2019 and traceability enhancement, quarter 2 2018, quarter we're in right now. They got a stable fee coming up also in quarter 2, and then beyond that it goes straight on to all seeing tracking wallets in 2019. Okay, pretty interesting token. That's gonna do it for the episode today, as we do have every single week with the Trillionaire channel. We do have a giveaway on Sunday, which will be announced via tweet, and it will be a small cap crypto, and that giveaway will go to one of the lucky followers, people who follow me on Twitter, and or one of the people who are subscribed to me on YouTube. And if you'd like to participate, all you need to do is be following, subscribing, retweeting, liking, and posting comments. Now, I'm not saying you need to do all of those things, but every time you do these things, that counts as an entry into this week's contest for the crypto giveaway of small caps. What crypto are we giving away? Could be horse, could be Payfair, could be OCN, could be some Karbo. We'll see. We'll see if I end up picking up some Karbo. I'll certainly have that in mind to give away. Usually, I like to leave it up to the winner of the crypto for that week, okay? But it's always a small cap cryptocurrency. Anyway, this has been your host, Trillionaire. Y'all have a great rest of your day. I'm about to go catch this NFL draft. Day 1, we'll see who my favorite NFL team picks up. You guys can let me know who your favorite team is. Mine's going to the Super Bowl this year. I'll let you know who they are later. Anyways, this has been your host, Trillionaire. Peace.